I have a new helper with me today. What's your name?
Lee.
Lee. This is Lee, and we're going to make cupcakes today. So I've got my big bowl, and Lee's going to put the ingredients in. We've got 150 grams of self-raising flour. Do you want to pour that in there, Lee?
Yeah.
Pour that in there.
Oh.
There you are. We've got 150 grams of caster sugar. Pour that in there. All in the bowl. We've also got 3 eggs. Pour the eggs in.
Be careful.
Yeah, be very careful, it's all got to stay in the bowl. And then we've got 150 grams of soft margarine, which I've even softened a little bit more in the microwave, just so that it's a little bit quicker for us to mix it.
Yeah.
Now I've just put all the ingredients all in the bowl together. There are probably nanas watching this now screaming at me because they would normally put their sugar and their butter in first and cream that together, but I don't do that. Just put it all in, mix it all together. We're going to put our flavouring in it now. Now Lee has chosen orange today, so we're making orange cupcakes, but you can use vanilla or lemon or whatever it might be. So you hold that still. We're putting 1 teaspoon of flavouring in it. Pour that in. There you go.
Okay.
And now, Lee, do you want to mix it together?
Yeah.
Yeah, you mix it together. It also makes it quick, especially if you're making it with children. It does make it quicker, the fact that you're just putting all the ingredients all in at the same time and just mixing them all together. It
Yeah.
doesn't take as long to prep. So you stir that all round and round. While he's stirring that together, I'll show you what we've prepped our tray beforehand. This is actually a muffin tray, but you can use a fairy cake one if you like. And these are actually fairy cake cases. You can buy muffin ones, but I tend not to use them because the cake ends up too big. Have you done that, Lee?
Yeah.
So you basically need to mix it round until you've got no lumps in it.
Yeah.
I can guarantee halfway through the children will get fed up with the mixing and you'll end up with it. This method is even easier if you've got a stand mixer. You just throw it all in.
Yeah.
Once it's all mixed together, put that to one side. Now, this is the best method that I have seen for filling your cupcakes. When I used to watch baking shows, they always used to use an ice cream scoop, and I used to wonder what they were doing it for. So you simply, roughly a scoopful, and because it's a spring action one, it'll all go straight in the case. There's no messing about with, I used to use 2 dessert spoons, which I'm sure everybody used to do. Don't fill it all together. So we're going to fill our cupcakes. Squeeze it. Squeeze
I am
it.
squeezing it.
There you are. And Lee even manages this quite well, even though he is left-handed. So he does find it a little bit harder because it's geared for a right-handed person. Now when we were making our cupcakes, we had 150 grams of everything and we had 3 eggs. The rule I follow is that you would need 50 grams of flour, sugar and butter for every egg. However many eggs you've got, you just times it by 50 and that's how many of the rest of the stuff you need.
Go.
You put any flavouring in it you want. And I found that 3 eggs is generally the amount that you need for a whole tray's worth of cupcakes. So in a second, me and Lee are going to put these in the oven. Are you ready, Lee? Ready?
Yeah.
So Lee's going to help me put them in the oven. And you have to be careful with the oven because ovens are... Telling me? They are hot, that's right. So we're going to put them in the oven. You need to put them in the oven for between 15 and 20 minutes. And you need this at 180 degrees fan. So we'll put them in the oven And when they've cooled, we're going to decorate them with chocolate and sprinkles. We'll show you what they look like at the end.